Hey, let me show you an unboxing of Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. Okay, so the console comes packed with this foil. And that's how it looks from the top. As you can see, we got the volume button on the left side. The power key, the volume buttons. And here we got cooling, USB-C input, the headphone jack. In this place, we can input the game cards. On the right side, there's attachment for controller on the left and the right side. On the bottom, we can find another USB-C port, another cooling system. And here we can actually open this one. There's the slot for the micro SD Express cards. So here we got both controls. And it actually looks the same for the second one, but this one actually comes with the blue color. And under this, there's the redeem code to download the game. And there's also some another paperwork. Over here we can find covers for our controllers. And right here we got the HDMI cable. Here we can find double USB-C cable. Over here we've got the power adapter. And thanks to this we got an adapter for the controllers. So we can simply attach them like so. And over here at the bottom we can find the deck for our Nintendo Switch 2nd generation with some USB ports on the left side. So this cover we can open, we can plug here AC adapter, HDMI cable and the Internet cable. And this is it, all accessories on the box.